Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I do have a tutorial on this look. If you don't know, I film 4 videos a day. It works with my schedule, which is very topsy-turvy right now, if that's how you say it. But for today's video, I did a little mini hair wrap tutorial, full face. Oh yeah, the cosmetics come through. Yeah. So I have a new mindset for 2020. Okay. Already I've been getting some very undesirable comments, and one would argue, you know, is their opinion, what others think if it's not your business, all that good stuff. But I have a new mindset for 2020. I'm just gonna focus on the positive. So right now I'm gonna be responding to you guys' questions, you guys' comments on my very first video for 2020. Okay. So Annabella says, you look very refreshed and beautiful. Life can get very daunting, but remember, you are a child of God. He will continue to sustain you through those dark times. Don't be as, oh, I didn't see this comment. Don't be as hard on yourself. It only depresses you further. This is a vision year. It will be well in Jesus' name. Claim it and start living it. Annabella, oh my God, prophetess, deacon, minister, pastor, reverend. Let me stop. Thank you. Citizen says, Simone says you're so talented in so many ways. The levels to this age, hair, makeup, fitness, family, Christianity, music. Girl, you can do videos on it, and so very many people will watch it, like and subscribe. Yeah, Jalil. Yeah, that them said to me, and that me actually work out. You see it, madam? I watch every time, all the way from Texas. Keep pushing, Stacy Ann, Marie. Thank you so much. Thank you. Monica B says, I check your YouTube every day to see if you uploaded. You're my favorite YouTuber. Your personality is everything and more. Wow. Thank you. Rosemary Bailey says, I'm not, she's quoting me, I think. She said, I'm not going to let my emotions run my life. That's my anthem for 2020, girl. Know that you're loved and not alone. Wishing you only the best. P.S. Miss you bad. Oh, wow. I mean, I explained why I had gone for over a month while I left YouTube. I explained that in my very first 2020 video. I explained all of that. But it just, the love coming back has been so overwhelmingly refreshing, beautiful. And as I say, you know, I've been getting some negative comments, and I decided, you know what, I'm not gonna focus on that right now, because I had a time, honey. Got my Pumi Fitness belt on, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have my here, jelly. That's rolling me now, something to keep him calm. He's right next to me. The fan on, because my son have to keep cool, because you are boy. Baby, you eat what I want. Okay, so I feel like Tanya's mommy center says, I feel like you when you're feeling like you want to give up. It's crucial you don't and keep going. The sky's the limit. P.S. I love the makeup look. Modeling 0216 says, the first thing I saw was how good you look. I could tell right away that you've been working out. Well, okay. Well, hey, what is that? Is that a muscle? How that a muscle? That look like a muscle. I haven't. I went to the gym today because yesterday was Ash Wednesday, holiday. And let's just say, everything go on break. I didn't eat a lot, but I normally eat after certain hours. I'm not normally eat after 6. I'm eat after 6 like white rice. I'm stop eat rice with curry chicken. And yesterday I drink wine. So yeah. So this morning I took my Teamy tea. I had that Teamy tea, the colon cleanse, soaking from. It has soaked from when? From last night. I'm gonna drink it this morning. So for over 8 hours, I'm drinking this morning. So anything got my mouth today? Straight through my system. Oh, straight through my system. Oh. Okay, I'm at 4 minutes. I'm not gonna edit this video either. I'm just gonna put it up. So I hope I don't do something weird like dig up my nose. Let me clean up my nose, right? Yeah, or like ease my body or something. Because when you go to the gym, it loosens up everything, you know. No much time I feel full, no, I'm gonna go ease my body. I'm hope to God, me feel listen. I'm not listening to edit. I'm listening at when me somebody coming. I can't go on YouTube. I have a video where it slip through. Rough. It hard, difficulty. Azalea says, if you lost your passion, then you should leave it. I will miss you, but my blood cleanse, Azalea, you can't live your life, so let me address this. So Azalea said, if you lost your passion, then you should leave it. I will miss you, but if you don't feel it, don't push it. I have something to say about that. That mindset cannot be. That mindset sounds as if you've been through something and you've learned to build up a wall. You've learned to safeguard yourself. You've learned to protect your number one player, which is you. And there's nothing wrong with you being your number one player. But to be a number one player, that means that there have to be other people on the team. And you need those other people on the team. Contrary speech that I'm about to make, you know that song that they sing, I need you, yeah, Jaleel, sing it out. You need me. I'm like, nah, my nigga, I don't need everybody, honey. I'm like, I'm fine. Like, I'm looking around. I'm like, I don't need you. Oh, hell no. I don't even know you. So, like, I'm not a firm believer of that. You know, for all my deaconesses, them, and my Holy Ghost filled water baptized, Jesus in my mind, people them can just explain. And I'm not being facetious or like whatever, but like I just don't believe we need everybody. I don't. I'm not gonna leave it because one, everything helps you as a person. If you're in a job you don't like, there's something for you to learn in everything in life. When life knocks it down 10, you get up 11. That's just how it works. You know what I mean? When you're feeling tired, weary, you take a break, you cool off, you bruise out, but you come back because there's still something at that level that you have not learned. And some of us just jump from relationships. I'm excited. And people just jump from relationships to relationships to relationships to relationships, not learning what they were supposed to in the last one, get married and then come, and this is where the baggage comes in with a bunch of things and with so much brokenness and things that they didn't go to because what? If you don't feel like it, leave it. No, there's stuff for you to learn. Am I saying stay in an abusive relationship? Obviously I'm not. Am I saying stay in this? No, you know your situation. You know your situation. And contrary to what you've been told, and contrary to what you've been brainwashed to think, there's so much that you can handle as a human being. It is not even crazy. It is not even funny. I'm addicted to watching The World's Strongest Man and CrossFit. But yeah, so we don't learn what we're supposed to from that step, and we miss out, and we go into a bag of things that we weren't supposed to go to because we have not learned from that process. It's just a whole thing. I know I was done with YouTube, but what YouTube is doing for me is not done with me. Time management, multitasking, being creative, editing. There's so much. I'm gonna just scroll and then stop it, whichever. I've missed you, but I truly understand you must be thinking about your future. You should have been at 500k subscribers by now. Anyway, I love you. I'll see you on Instagram. Oh, thanks, Robbie. Daisy Princess says, OMG, I'm so happy that you're coming back. Please don't leave the channel. I miss your videos. You're amazing. Love your videos. Thank you for your time. God bless you abundantly. Thank you, Shisho. Beautiful Meek daughter says, I love your confidence. Let's see the workout videos. I'll be at the gym with you. And you guys know that I'm now vlogging on this channel, so you guys are seeing me at the gym. You're seeing my trainer. You're seeing what I'm doing. It is a lot. I'm currently in pain. But it's a good pain. But yeah. I'm so hungry, and it's just 10 o'clock. Is your foot this? Is your foot this? Are your foot that? Yeah? Yes, it's your football. Clean like how we say. Your body clean like how we say. Okay, so Deshana Good says, I like when you do different looks, especially the eye look. You have come a long way, and I have introduced young people to your channel. Oh, Deshana. So they see exactly how to shape the eyebrow, how to blend different colors on the lid. Wow. Or just how to give the illusion that your eyelids. Wow. Oh, for hooded eyes, you are beautiful in and out. Thank you so much for the good work. Oh my goodness. incorporate that into your channel as a beauty guru. She called me a beauty guru. And you see, it's like reading stuff, because let me tell you, as I said in another video, in my IG Q&A video, I hardly read my comments because of the negativity that surrounds it sometimes. And it's not every time, you know, but even there's a part in the Bible that says something about negativity and how that's what we focus on, you know. I have to Google it and see if I can find this exact scripture. But there's a part in the Bible that says, you know, that we focus on negativity. That's just what we are as human beings. That's what we focus on. We focus. The only thing that I say as human beings that we have not focused on where negativity is concerned is the death of Jesus. Because he died, you know. He died. He died. He died. But we don't hold on to that. We don't hold on to that. We continue. And he was risen. Some of us say, but he was risen. You know. So we naturally hold on to. I naturally hold on to negativity. I'm quite a pessimist, as much as I'm similar with vibes and stuff. But those of you who know me and who watch my channel, you guys know who I can get. And German always said, Simone, your mood can change a room. You will walk into a room and affect the entire room. And it's not just me, like there are people out there that's like that. So I have to. And at that point, I can't think about me. Well, I have to take care of the number one player. Well, if I'm not feeling well, I'm just not feeling well. I have to think about people. I have to think about people. Because, even though you're feeling bad about something, there's always somebody that you can encourage. There's always somebody who needs to hear what you have to say. Always, always, always. What do you mean? Of course, him no, but him help you. It not help you. What do you mean? What are you mean? And I'm me at that. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. I've been going on for a long time and I'm not gonna edit this. I love unedited videos. It really makes me see what the hell is going on in their life. I love unedited videos. But yeah, this is it for me. I don't know if I'm going to wipe off and do another video today. I have 2 more videos I need to film. I may do it today, I may not do it today. We'll see how it goes. I need to charge this camera. Jonathan, go back over there, so I'm coming. I'm coming. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.